Hi everyone, it's Wayne Look, Technical Director from Artis Innovations. We've done a few upgrades to our dashboard, and on the home screen you'll see we've got total packages and then active packages. So these are the quantity number of plans that you have active on your account. It's not a dollar value, it's just a number of plans that you've got. We will in the future add total invested in dollar value, so you'll know how much you've got invested, which is active at that current time. If you go to account, we've added a few things. We've added security and notification. So if we go ahead and click on security, now to set up your account security, you either need to select email 2FA or Google 2FA. If you select to email 2FA, click on enable 2FA, save settings, that's it, all done. The next time you log in, it will ask for your code that will be sent by email. If you do Google 2FA, enable, save settings. Once you've done that, you need to copy this code, or you need to scan this QR code here with your phone. Once you've scanned or manually put in the code, you click on complete setup. So I'm going to do that now. So I go to my Google Authenticator, scan barcode, scan the barcode, click on complete setup, and that's it, done. And that's all you need to do for Google 2FA. And then the next time you log in, it will ask for a Google 2FA code. You just go to your Google Authenticator on your mobile and you type in the code that gives you on the app. Next up, if we go to deposits and then we add a new deposit, you'll notice now we have Litecoin. Now we've disabled manual for Bitcoin and Litecoin altogether. We only accept automatic payment method now. It's very easy. All you do is you click on Bitcoin or Litecoin and you click on automatic payment method. It will take you to another screen, and I'll show you that now. And it will give you what you need to send to what address, and that's it. With Ethereum, we cannot do automatic because Coin Payments does not support it. So when you do the manual Ethereum deposit, you just send the dollar value of Ethereum to that address, and then once you've done that, click on choose file and then submit payment. So you always have to send payment proof if it's manual Ethereum. With everything else, Litecoin, Bitcoin, it's automatic, so you don't need to send payment proof. The layout is a little bit different on the packages, but not much. Just gives you minimum deposit, maximum deposit, and that's it. Everything else is the same. And it's still $185 minimum. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that helps with what changes we've made to the dashboard, and I hope Google 2FA is what you wanted. I know it's the feature that will be most used, and I'm looking forward to using that as well, because the email 2FA was just a little bit too slow. So thanks for your time. Speak to you soon.